So hey, what's up guys? We are back in a new video and I know that it's been a long time since I uploaded my last video but I was quite busy and now I will try to upload uh, videos regularly. So today we are going to solve Atcoder's beginner contest 470 and we will solve first two problems in this video and next two problems in the next video because I was just able to solve four problems. So let's see what first a problem says. So basically it says that there is one n integer is given to us and what we need to do is uh, we have to put we have to output n lines, okay, and yeah, if I is a multiple of 3, so where I is the multiple of 3, on that point we have to output fizz, okay. So basically it's a very easy problem, like it says that for example if n is equal to 4, so what we will do, we will simply print 1 2 and now it is 3, but because 3 is the multiple of 3, so now at that point we will print 3, okay, and at last the last 4, okay. So that is, I mean, it's just a childish problem, I would say. So let's write the code of that problem. So I've taken the input, and now what I will do, I will simply run a for loop. uh, for loop up to n, okay, like because we have to print n lines, and now I will simply put an if statement, and I would check that if I is the multiple of 3, so then I would simply print fizz, okay, and if it is not, then I would simply print the value of I. All right, let me move this. Okay, let's run this. All right, it will work. I mean, yeah. All right. So that was the first problem. I hope that it was a very easy problem, and I hope that you have solved that problem. So now we will move to the second B problem. So what B problem says is that there are n balls. Each ball is painted in one of n colors, color 1 through color, and the color of the ith ball is here. Okay, any one ball to any of the n colors. Alright, find the minimum number of required to make the whole balls the same color. Alright. So basically the problem is saying that there are n balls and these are the colors of the ball. Okay. So what we are supposed to do, for example, there are four balls and these are the four colors. Okay. So we uh, we need to output, yeah, find the minimum number of operations required to make all the balls the same color. So what we need is that uh, these 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 balls should have the same colors. Okay. Uh, See, there is, for example, suppose 3 is a color. So there is one ball of 3 color, like because these are the colors. So suppose that 3 uh, is a color, so there is one ball of 3 color, and uh, there are two balls of one color. Okay, I hope you are understanding. And there is also one ball of this color, which is 2. Okay, so if we want to make all these balls of the same colors in minimum in yeah in minimum number of operations, so what we will do, uh, we will just uh, change the colors of the balls uh, that that have I mean we will change we will only change the colors that are rarely appear. Okay, for example, we will make this one, and we will also make this one. Okay, because by this logic we uh, we will do minimum number of operations, right? So what is the observation in this problem? Let me remove it. Yeah, so what is the I would copy this. Okay, this is the our input. So suppose uh, uh, this is yellow color. Okay, and suppose red this is red color, and this is blue, and this is also red, because one has appeared two times. So also red is also appeared of two times, because there are two ones in our array. So if we want to make this array of same colors in minimum number of operations, so what I would do, I would simply uh, convert this black into red, and this yellow also into red. Then only in two operations I will get my desired array. Okay, uh, so this is one observation. And for example, if I don't do that, for example, I go to make all the rest of the elements of the array to yellow. So then I will make first this yellow, then this, and then this. So it will take three operations. Okay, so this will not correct, because we are getting two operations when when we are making red. Okay, this one and this one. So what is the observation is that we just need to check the frequency of the array. Okay, what we will do, that for example one has appeared two times, so what we need to find the maximum frequency of the number. Okay, for example, here one has appeared two times, so it is the maximum times one is appearing maximum time in this array. So what I will do, I will simply these are the four colors. So I what I will do, I will simply minus I will minus maximum frequency from the all the colors. Okay, then I will get my answer. I hope you have understood that, like uh, what I want to say, that just find the maximum frequency and subtract it from all the colors. Okay, then we will get the minimum number of operations in order to make our array of same color. All right, so let's write the code of this. UAI. let me why or where is the contest? Alright, so now let's write the code of that program. Okay. Sorry for that. I don't know what happened, but the AI of that browser was open. So what I will do, I will first of all I will simply take the input. I will create a vector array of n numbers and then I will take the input. Okay. Now what I will do, I will simply make a frequency array. So our colors can up to 1 to 100. So I will uh, choose size. Uh, uh, let's say I will take 101 and I will set it to 0. Okay. Now I will simply iterate through every element. So what it is doing, it is counting the frequency of every color. Okay. So now I will simply find the max max element of this frequency array, which is the color that is appearing maximum of the times. Okay. So now I will simply put output my answer, which is uh, so we'll simply subtract the color that is appearing maximum times from all the colors. Okay. All right, it got passed. So I will simply all right. So it has also passed. So that was for today. So until next time, Allah Hafiz.